Hi, my name is Jo from Reflexology Kent. I'm a wellbeing practitioner and wellbeing tutor. Here is another video from a series of short, easy to follow hand reflexology techniques. In this video, I'd like to show you the shoulder, the neck and the head reflexes in the hands, obviously relating to the body. They've got a very close relationship. Now, normally I would do reflexology on the feet, as that's people's most preference. However, when you're doing treatments for yourself, which is the purpose of these videos, it's sometimes easier to use the hands. So to start with, we apply a hand cream and just massage it into the hands. And I've got another video which will show you a nice hand and arm massage. So please find that when you've got the time. And just before we start, obviously, reflexology does not replace any traditional medicine. And if you have any health concerns, to always seek professional medical advice before commencing any holistic therapist. And this is just to ensure that the treatment that you choose is suitable for you at the time. Okay, so neck and shoulders and head. Why would you want to massage these areas in your hand? Well, often if we're sitting at a desk all day or for long periods of time, we might find that we get tension in these areas or headaches. So obviously movement is very important regularly throughout the day. I can't express that enough. It's more important than ensuring that you've got good posture all the time. Always regularly move, say every 20 minutes or half an hour, especially if you're sitting down at working. Now, for a quick fix during the day and just to help you relax and look after your well-being, here are the reflex points on the hands that you can use in relation to the shoulders, which is here. So if you just imagine the shoulders is just here, and they're both on both hands. So your hands are like this, and then your shoulders are just on the ends here. Okay. Then obviously, if you think about the way the body is mapped on the hands and the feet, it would mean then that your neck is around the thumb area here. And the head is the top of the thumbs and fingers. So let's work those areas today. Now, I make sure that I'm comfortable in my chair, my feet are flat on the floor, my shoulders are relaxed, and my hands are rested nicely on the table. Turn the hands over. Rest both hands in your lap or on the table here. And then we're going to do that thumb walk that I've been working with you on. Now, if you've not done this before, it's quite easy. Just keep the thumb and hands together. Might take a little bit of practice to do. And then it's that first joint here in the thumb that moves. Can you see that? Okay. And then just try to keep this joint straight so you don't stress out the joints in the working hand. And then just gently just move that thumb. And we're just working that whole area in that joint. Can you feel that joint there? That's it. So just work across it. Don't cause yourself any discomfort. Just take the pressure off if it's tender. That's not the aim of what we're trying to do here. Just work it in different directions. Just work through that shoulder. Just enjoy that massage there. If your thumb's beginning to ache, then why not use your fingers or your knuckles to work that shoulder through. And then just give that finger a little massage. And then the same the other side, easy as that. Okay, so just work in that shoulder area. If it feels tender, just pay a little attention to it. Just take the pressure off if necessary. Just work it through in different directions. Get a tender spot, then just press, hold, nice breath. And just allow that tenderness to disperse if it wants to. Okay, have you got that? Lovely. The neck area, so very similar to where we worked when we done the spine video. So just work across here however comfortable you feel you're able to be. Just change your positioning if you want to. Doesn't matter which direction you go, just work it around that thumb area. And today we're going to go over to the top of the thumb, which represents your head area as well. Just going right to the tip of the thumb area here. And then if you want to work the fingertips, now you could be doing this any time of day, really. You could be on a Zoom meeting. No one's really going to notice that you're massaging your hands. Let's do the thumb here again. So the neck area, a little bit tender. So just find that spot, hold, breathe in, breathe out, and release. And massage it out. Okay, and then come up over to the head. Work all the fingers. If you're finding that uncomfortable, then you could just push down with the fingers either side. Just getting pressure into those fingers. That's it. And with the thumbs, you could roll as well. That's another technique that's quite easy to do for the head. Lovely. That's it for today. Hope you join me soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.